Hello and welcome back to another video from Jerba Campervans. Now we've been working on this secret Crafter Campervan. It's absolutely amazing inside, you won't believe it. So let's have a look inside. So this is going to be our new 2023 Jerba Crafter, just how it is. As you can see, we've pulled out all the stops on this one, no expense spared. No, I'm just joking, but really, this is a medium wheelbase Crafter van. It's a new one, it's our new staff van. And what we're doing just now is trying to think a little bit outside of the box, trying to create something new. And this will be displayed at the show in 2023 down at the Birmingham NEC. But we've gone for a totally different layout in this one, quite a radical change. And I'm just going to give you a quick walk through it just now. First thing that you'll notice if you step back is we've got a big pop-top roof on this one, front elevation, huge bed inside. It's actually one of the comfiest campervan beds I've ever slept on, so I'll take you up and show you that soon. But inside, if you come, you'll see what's going on here. Basically how this is going to work, we're going to have two single rib seat beds here and here, just like in our Sana. And what they'll do is they'll fold down flat, and you've got this sort of indent here, and this will give you the extra length, so you'll get a full length single bed. Well, two of them in this camper van, and your feet can go in this sort of cutaway at the back here. Now, walking back through the middle channel, what we'll have here is a large wardrobe for loads of storage. We've also got storage lockers all the way up the top here. And they will just be much bigger, deeper versions of what we have in the sort of Cromarty Tyree layout. So loads of storage there, big full-size wardrobe in the back, loads of storage there. We'll also have cooking and sink here, so you can do your cooking, your cleaning. On this back wall here, what we're going to do is have a fridge mounted this way, so you can open out the fridge and we'll get in access to that way. Now, you'll wonder what this big wall is at the back. Well, this won't be there, but basically in the middle there'll be a big door, and this is going to allow you to walk through into storage, wet room, toilet and shower room in the back. So if you imagine we walk through this door, and I'll take you around the back and show you what happens. So you can see we've still got a lot of room in the back of this Crafter. So basically on this side we'll have storage down one side, and that'll also contain, you know, the fridge, electrical units, all the wiring work we have to do, water tank, gas if you're having it, all that stuff. And then on the other side we'll have a contained full height shower and toilet, and you'll basically be able to access that from the front through that door that I mentioned before, and that'll give you a nice big wet room in the back. But it's absolutely fantastic. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab the camera, I'm going to take you upstairs and we'll have a little look at the bed. So this is the pop-top roof for the Crafter. It's not one of our own. We imported this from Europe and it's actually fantastic. It will have its own ladder, so it'll be easy to get up here and into. But what I'll do is I'll just pull over our temporary ladder here and take you up. And it's nice dark canvas. What this does have is a big, thick memory foam mattress on it, which is really wide, really long. I've been up there, it's really, really comfortable. And this basically allows you to have a big double bed up in the top. Now, you'll notice that we have got quite a thick mesh on this. So what we intend to do is we'll pick out all of this and we'll replace this with our own midge mesh. And on the front, we'll pick this out and we'll replace this with a window, just like what we have on our own canvas. But this one does unzip from the top, so you can unzip it, get that view out. You can also see Alan's 2CV there, which he hopes to build one day. But yeah, really, really impressed with this roof. It looks really good. I'll just take you outside, we'll see how it looks from the outside. This is just a concept just now. We're just toying about with a few different designs. We've got a couple of different layouts that we've made. If you've got any ideas, we'd love to hear them. Let us know what you think about this. If you have any sort of layouts in your head that you think would be better, please let us know. You can send us an email, you can write it in the comments. We'd love to hear them because we really want to create something a little bit different. Now that roof again from the outside, You can see big nose cone, needs to go away and get painted, but it's absolutely fantastic. Good height, works really, really well. And this is a medium wheelbase crafter, like I said, so this is actually about 2 foot longer than a long wheelbase transporter, but the difference in size is absolutely incredible, and what you can fit in them, really impressive. So, hopefully you've enjoyed this video of the Crafter. We're going to do a more detailed video on the roof, and we've got a load of other videos coming out soon too, so please make sure to subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next one. Thank you very much.